Nili BLCC chairman extends assistance for construction of bamboo bridge. Good morning and warm welcome to Karbianglong Live. I'm Joyramronghang Kilingpi bringing you the latest news for this morning. And now the news in detail. With the sole aim of easing the connectivity problems of several villages inside the Nili PMAyg constituency, Nili BLCC chairman Joyramronghang provided assistance for the repair of a bamboo bridge over Kalyoni River. The Phonglangso River is one of the most important rivers in Nili PMAyg constituency, which has to be crossed in order to reach Borpung and Tarapung, one of the remotest villages of the hill districts of Karbianglong. The residents from the hills have to cross this river to reach the town to sell their farm produce including mustard, sesame, areca nut, broom and others, and also to take home various essential items. They have been using this road from decades, but till date, no proper arrangement has been made by the government to ease their journey. The people of Porojan Sarthengti village, Porojan Bidyasing Rongpi and Longki Kiling village came together to make a bamboo bridge across the more than 50 feet wide river. Getting information of the work, Nili BLCC chairman Joyramronghang reached to the spot and offered financial assistance to buy bamboo and also arrange for the mill.
Pini yok alang ni silas no repairing hustame alang lu suri po na tangkang pisi ni tum ke joge jo na pante cek na mo ka ve pastame tum phana rabdul la salang ni chorab dun polang ni pham an se ni tum hin pastame chorolo la pan ki rang lang stame alang ni pastame la pusol thana kerap ni long bom jilang pastame chuning ni la pan alang li kenang ni stame ni tum stalang ni pan ki chorab mun ke je pastame ni tum la rong thoma mo ni style ni sikat tan rabdun ji sa si tum ni matha dula asin hin pan asin je chala.
Local leaders including GB Mondolingti, GB Lawrence Rongpi and GB Longki Kiling with the help of social worker Edwin Crow peacefully led the construction work. The people have expressed their gratitude to the BLCC chairman for standing with them and supporting them time and again. Samson Ingtius report from Koilamati for Karbianglong Live. The construction of the PMAyg house allotted to Joyramronghang of Amlong Krampesa village has been left incomplete by the contractor. He had appealed for early completion of the house as with the arrival of rainy season, he is faced with big problems. The village is located under number 8 Hamren MAC constituency, the constituency of KAACEM Mongosing Timur. The house was sanctioned by the Ronghang Development Block in the name of Joyramronghang's wife. Joyram told that his wife's AGVB bank account passbook has also been taken away by the contractor so that they do not know whether the money for the construction had been withdrawn or not.
Apan ulo, laso video je tag log pen nang litum, laso hem non amat nak petang ya pan si, niligi pulo, yo si petang te pulo te niliga, ahem si teng thai po, no le li te nili teng te pusa nang litum sita nak kiprina po. Kasi nili pulo.
Tang cái giờ bây giờ.
Tang te, nó năng lực tum cái đồ cái thác cái có son lận te, là đang mà xí đồ lận.
Đang mà xí đồ lận, rồi thay về đây rồi.
Là ác bong ai huy cái, là tum tông là cái bảng kilo mà nó là ác bong. Là những hạt phải huy te hết.
Những tháng thường.
Những tháng sẽ tiêu rồi. À chú ta là phụ sĩ đồ năng rồi.
Đồ năng rồi.
Bang the nang tum pada nge pakai. Laso hem kapit tang te dalam the si nang pai lo. Ahem abang nili la election prang pada petang oi pusi pumom lo kontraktor dong manta. Bonsa laso hem petang te. Non anda petang te de sila pusi tunang poma pusi nili mathalo.
Có bị pilo cái tang te cái.
Petang te ala magala pilikia mokhata tang te lang. Pili me khang se chó den lo. Vàng ve, angala plor ta ve. Angala laso award bang datang telang amalasi tang tepilang usinili mathada.
Joyram further said that he had already requested the contractor for early completion of the house in the presence of the block officials. However, he had not received positive response. Thus, he had once again requested Ronghang Development Block BDO, JE Gram Sevak and BLCC members as well as the EM Mongosing Timum to take steps to complete the construction. Daniel in his report from Hamren for Karbianglong Live. In a sad news coming from Bokajjan, a vehicle had hit one man on Thursday night, resulting in the ultimate death of the victim. Here is a report. The victim, Dilip Heran, was returning home from his shop on Thursday night when the incident happened. When he had reached Talbalijan, an unidentified vehicle hit him and escaped, taking the advantage of the night. Locals immediately called the 108 ambulance and took Dilip to Bokajjan CHC. The doctors tried to bring Heran to his senses, but his injury was so serious that he could not be saved. Local police were also informed of the incident and they reached the spot immediately and did all the formalities. Dilip Heran was 55 years old and he was the son of Simun Heran. They are residents of Mukhuti in Hanchang Langso. Dilip's bike bearing registration number AS09G4518 has been kept at Bokajjan police station. Anand Terang's report from Bokajjan for Karbi Anglong Live. Now those were the top stories for this morning. Thanks for watching Karbi Anglong Live and stay safe.